From the book of Car, this is the story of Pontiac G8 and the BMW 5 Series in a toe-to-toe knockdown, drag-out brawl between the two. Oh, ha-ha, Pontiac and the BMW? Pontiac's got no chance. You gotta be kidding me, silly storyteller, right? Wrong. Sure, the BMW 550i costs nearly twice as much, and the driver has tasseled topsiders and a higher collar, but at 5.3 seconds, the Pontiac G8 GT is faster 0 to 60 and has more power. But cry not for the BMW, because this guy and his 5 Series and shiny girlfriend and accessorized chihuahua cries not for you. Not a single tear, Spartacus. But how about the luxurious inside of the BMW? It's like a spacious penthouse suite in there. Oh wait, oh great, the G8 has more legroom, shoulder room, and overall passenger room. Bam, 3 shots to the grill, or the grill of our suddenly second fiddle BMW. What gives with this new Pontiac G8 anyway? Has it no respect for a staid premium automobile like a 5 Series? Does it not also carry Grey Poupon? Sure, it's trimmed in fine leather, but probably moving too fast for any mustard exchanges. Sliding under the radar with a lower profile and a wider stance in the BMW. See, it's an officer and a gentleman, not picking the fight, but finishing it. And the car mag's got the G8's back, too. That's got the Germans' goat. There's a new sheriff in town, and he's sporting a red dart, a fat exhaust, and he starts under 30 grand. 8 versus 5, Pontiac versus BMW. Ha-ha, right? Wrong. Pontiac G8.